In this video, we're going to very shortly look into my WebFOCUS installation on my SSL config. So in here, I created my SSL configuration for Tomcat. So my WebFOCUS system now is enabled for SSL. So if you configure SSL, make sure you use your correct key store. It's going to be a password. So in here, I'm using a self-signed certificate. I set up, important here, SSL to only support the latest version or a relatively late version of SSL. So we're gonna skip old versions 1.0 and 1.1. So that's the settings here. Then having that configured, restart your Tomcat. Looking into my Tomcat configuration now, I started my local WebFOCUS and I see the log here is looking fine. So I see security is okay, so connection is secure. To get some details on the certificate, click on that link. You see the certificate is valid because it's a self-signed one, so I can click on that one. And you can see how that TIPCO was, or that certificate was issued by myself locally. So it's a self-signed one. It's valid until 2024. I've got the fingerprints in here. I got the detail. I got the certificate hierarchy in here. Again, as it's a self-signed one, I see my name only being the root of that certificate chain. In case you get a certificate officially, you're going to be able to follow that chain to see who initially certified that that certificate here. And that's very simple thing to check if your SSL configuration worked as expected.